What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a 2025 Toyota Sequoia that we just finished a small build on. This is the mud bath color. It is such a cool color that I wanted just to make this whole video to show you guys how cool it is and what we've done to it. So let's take a look. So what we did to this was a Westcott Designs spacer lift kit, so that way we can retain the factory TRD Pro suspension, and you can see there we have the TRD Pro upper control arms as well. But this here is the mud bath color. It's a very cool color. It is basically made to replace the quicksand color, and in my opinion it looks cooler and much better than the quicksand. But what we have on top here is a Prinsu Pro that we just installed, and this is pretty unique and a little bit different than the other models, and I'll show you exactly why. So what you kind of see there is the factory roof rails. So the Sequoia comes with those installed, and this Prinsu Pro bolts right to that factory rail. So that way there's no need to drop the headliner or anything that is that intrusive. So this roof rack is a two-piece design because this is a pretty long vehicle. So it's gonna be a very long box if Prinsu were to put all this in one box. But for those who don't know, the Prinsu Pro is an upgrade over the original Prinsu, which has a little bit different design, and this one is a lot stronger because it has a two-piece design and it has their proprietary crossbar, which has like a rounded bottom, which is not slotted but provides a lot more strength to the crossbars themselves. So with the TRD Pro trim level, you'll get the grille lights that have TRD in them, and then obviously the factory TRD Pro grille with the light bar in there. And then down there we have the factory camera and TSS sensor. We also get these really nice headlights. And my favorite part of this headlight is probably the DRL. It has these little tiny dots when illuminated. It looks really, really good. So for now, this customer decided to go with just spacers to retain these BBS wheels. These are pretty awesome from factory. So we added 1.25 inch wheel spacers just to push it out a little bit. And what that did was it just made the stance of this vehicle a lot more aggressive. So you can kind of see there, it's almost flush with the fender, and the shoulder of the tire basically meets up with the TRD Pro fender flares. And just like the front, we have these marker lights that are labeled TRD in them into the fender flares. And this vehicle looks good no matter what angle you look at it. Even the rear, the front, there's a black Sequoia lettering in the back, the iForce Max badge because this is a hybrid, and this vehicle just looks so much more aggressive with the roof rack up there and some wheel spacers. But that is pretty much it for this video. I wanted just to make this quick video because I really like the way this truck came out. Love the color, and with these minimal mods, this truck turned out so good. But that's all gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel. If you're not, subscribe, let us know what you wanna see, and we will try to make them. We'll see you guys next time.